I've been thinking a lot about how we use the present perfect tense to talk about actions that have happened at different times in the past. It's a fascinating aspect of English that really helps us connect our past experiences to the present moment. For instance, I've traveled to several countries over the years. Each trip has left a mark on me, shaping my perspective and enriching my life. I've visited Italy, where I savored authentic pasta and marveled at the art in Florence. I've also explored Japan, immersing myself in the culture and enjoying the tranquility of its gardens. Each of these experiences happened at different times, but they all contribute to who I am today. Now, let's talk about how we express these experiences. When I say, I've traveled to Italy, it emphasizes the experience itself rather than when it happened. The focus is on the fact that I've done it and it's relevant to my life now. It's not just about the past. It's about how those travels have influenced my current worldview. Another example, I've read a number of books this year. Each book has offered me new insights and perspectives. I've read classics like Pride and Prejudice, which taught me about social dynamics and relationships, and I've also delved into contemporary novels that explore modern issues. The beauty of the present perfect is that it allows me to reflect on these experiences collectively, showing how they've shaped my understanding of literature and life. It's also interesting to note how we can use the present perfect to discuss repeated actions. I've gone to the gym regularly this month, and I've noticed significant improvements in my fitness. Each visit builds on the last, creating a cumulative effect that's motivating. It's not just about one workout, it's about the journey and the progress I've made over time. Let's not forget about achievements. I've completed several projects at work that have contributed to my career growth. Each project has taught me valuable skills and lessons, and they all connect to my current role. When I share this with others, it's not just a list of past accomplishments, it's a narrative of growth and development. In conversations, using the present perfect can spark engaging discussions. When someone asks about my experiences, I can say, I've tried skydiving, or I've learned to play the guitar. These statements invite curiosity and often lead to stories that reveal more about who I am. It's a way to share my journey and connect with others through shared experiences. In summary, the present perfect tense is a powerful tool for expressing multiple past actions that shape our present. It allows us to reflect on our experiences, achievements, and growth in a way that's both meaningful and engaging. Whether it's travels, books, workouts, or career milestones, each action contributes to the tapestry of our lives, reminding us of how far we've come and how those experiences continue to influence us today.